Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Las Vegas, Nevada. I am really craving Thai food for some reason, red curry, so I'm gonna go find a place here in Las Vegas to indulge in my cravings. So let's go. Also, here's my morning Coke. Some people like to drink coffee in the morning. I like to drink Coke. Gas used to not cost this much in Las Vegas, even in July. Well, I am here at Thai street food. Let's go check it out. Let's see if Las Vegas has good red curry, hopefully, because I'm craving the hell out of it. It's on 3137, I think, Sahara Avenue, I believe, or Sammy Davis Jr. Well, Thai Street Food Cafe was pretty good. It's pretty on point, on par with how it would taste in Bangkok a little bit. Maybe a little bit better in Bangkok just because it's more authentic in Bangkok. But anyways, the Circus is down that way and I haven't been there in a few years. And when I was little, my grandfather took me there and we went to the Adventuredome. And so it's kind of special to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and go check that out real quick. The last time that I was at Circus, I did not stop by Adventuredome just because it was like 3 a.m. So let's go and check it out. And here is Adventuredome. It looks the same as it did like 15 years ago. Here is some of the roller coaster track. I could use an icy. They changed the name of the ride. Still looks the same though. I wonder if they still have the inverter. Let's go see. They still have it. The inverter. After 15 years, they still have this ride.
There's